Walk into any high street bank or building society and ask about its savings rates and you'll be in for a shock. They are paying peanuts to those who deposit cash. So much so that the rate you get won't even keep up with inflation. This means your money will be eroded by the cost of living. If you want to achieve your financial goals, you might have to look elsewhere, and a stocks and shares ISA is one area you should definitely consider. Investing in the stock market is not the best option if you're likely to need your cash in the next 5 years, for example if you're saving for a house deposit or an upcoming wedding. But for longer term savings goals, such as retirement or your child's university fees, where you have a decade or so before you need the money, you're much more likely to achieve your goal with a well-planned investment strategy. If you only invest for a short period, you could easily lose money. But over longer periods, history has repeatedly shown that equities grow faster than cash. If you invested £100 a month into a typical savings account, you would have £12,306 after 10 years and £26,670 after 20 years, according to Morningstar. But if you invested £100 a month into equities, you would have a whopping £19,595 after 10 years, or £56,345 after 20 years. Investing is a great way of helping you achieve your financial goals because you should generate more over the long term than you will from a savings account. But investing is not for everyone, and it shouldn't give you sleepless nights. If you're worried about losing money, you might be better off sticking with cash. If not, investing could be for you. And it doesn't mean you have to take huge risks. Investing sensibly is about getting a diversified spread of investments where risk is balanced and controlled to provide steady growth. You'll probably take your first steps as an investor by using an individual savings account, the perfect way to shelter your investments from tax. You can place collective funds in an ISA too, but more on them in our next video.